In primetime news this evening, curfew measures relaxed. Government reduces curfew hours and reopens beaches. Getting support. World Bank, WHO and WTO back IMF call for $50 billion fund to fight COVID. And hurricane woes. Fear grips Gardentown as breakaway repair remains incomplete. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. There's Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the new curfew hours? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.